On a daily basis, hospital and healthcare CSOs face the challenge of enabling movement for staff and patients while trying to keep multiple access points secure. They must address protecting the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of individual health information and records as dictated by the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA. HID Global understands and offers solutions for healthcare CSOs who are faced with meeting privacy requirements and electronic protected health information guidelines. HID Solutions helps organizations meet HIPAA compliance, ensuring a patient's information privacy rights. Many healthcare organizations already use HID Solutions for physical access control. Our solutions for healthcare extend the value of your existing physical security infrastructure and investments to address the universal issue of regulatory compliance. Let's take a few moments to illustrate some of the solutions HID Global has developed for healthcare security and compliance. With the movement to ePHI, strong authentication beyond simple passwords is a required element of meeting HIPAA guidelines. HID on the desktop provides two-factor authentication for secure PC logon. Simple and convenient, this logical access solution validates the user through the presentation of a secure credential and PIN before allowing logon access to a computer and its stored information. While making key information available to authorized individuals, the solution protects electronically stored healthcare information. It also enables centralized control for IT to install and implement. In a fast-paced healthcare environment, healthcare professionals value the convenience of HID on the desktop's tap in and tap out or log in, log out capabilities using the employee's existing ID badge. In the end, HID on the desktop delivers the same affordable, user-friendly elements to logical access control that support our physical access control platforms. To further extend its application into the healthcare field, HID has created a logical access reader finished in an innovative waterproof housing. Designed for contactless technology applications within hospitals and clean rooms, the OmniKey 5321CR USB reader can help organizations meet the strong data security requirements demanded by HIPAA regulations in the United States, as well as healthcare facilities around the world. The reader permits healthcare professionals to experience the convenience, speed, and security of contactless technology while employing their physical access cards for logical access to PCs and IT networks. HIPAA regulations also requires healthcare organizations and facilities to verify or validate the identity of staff members and their visitors. The Fargo DTC 400E card printer encoder meets this need to personalize hospital credentials on-site quickly and easily. The DTC 400E gives your organization a professional modular card printing system that can grow as your needs grow. Known for its pre-spooled single ribbon cartridge, it makes print jobs effortless as it locks into place for quick printing in one easy step. Modular upgrades and card encoding options are available, such as magnetic stripe encoding or reading and programming iClass cards through supporting software applications. The DTC 400E is designed for easy operation and hassle-free maintenance. The ValuePack card printer encoder will assist any healthcare organization to meet the physical identity requirements for HIPAA compliance. Developed to fulfill the demanding requirements of the German national e-health infrastructure, the OmniKey LandSmart card terminal combines the advantages of contact and contactless smart card security with the flexibility and connectivity of local area networks. With more and more hospitals moving to ePHI, the eHealth reader provides strong authentication that exceed HIPAA requirements. Leaders in the healthcare industry know that convenience and security are key to running a smooth operation. Yet it's impossible to ignore necessary regulatory considerations that have become a fixture on the healthcare security landscape. HID Global is there to provide healthcare solutions that can help a variety of organizations plot a course through complex regulatory and security needs. To learn more about the solutions HID Global offers the healthcare industry, please visit us at hidglobal.com/healthcare.